I hope you guys have seen many people earning tons of money from the TikTok creativity program. Still, the only issue that every person has is not living in the eligible country for the TikTok creativity program. But don't worry, in this video, I will be telling you how to join the creativity program while living in any country. And the main thing is that you don't even have to buy an eSIM from eBay. All you have to do is follow the steps that I'm about to tell you in this video. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Uninstall the TikTok app from your phone. Step 2. Remove your phone SIM. Step 3. Turn off location services in your phone. Step 4. Change your phone's region settings to the United Kingdom. Step 5. Restart your phone. Step 6. Turn on VPN. I would recommend ExpressVPN as it's one of the best VPN services in the world. Make sure to add the VPN to some region in the United Kingdom. Step 7. Reinstall the TikTok app. Step 8. Create a new TikTok account. And after you create the new account, click the Creator Tools, and you will see the TikTok Creativity Program. If you followed all the steps that I just mentioned, then you are on your way to start making big bucks from the TikTok Creativity Program. If this video helped you, please click that subscribe button and drop a like. I will be uploading videos on how to make money from the social media apps that you already have on your phone. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope to see you in the next video.